here with elementaryschoolassemblies.com, Chris Johnson's Amazing School Assemblies. I want to thank you for visiting my website. Most of the pages on my website talk about the programs that I offer with educational content, but sometimes schools just need to blow off some steam, have a bit of fun, maybe something for field days, end of the year, rewards, family fun night, or even a fundraiser. That's where this program comes in. It's nicknamed Magical Mayhem, and it's my all-purpose just for fun program. I alter the program based on the grade levels of the people arriving. If you're going to have grandparents and parents coming, I have content for them. If you want me to do a program for field days and you can separate it out by grades, I have a different version of the program for each grade level. It's a very fun program, very interactive. We have magic, fun, music, silliness, comedy, completely age-appropriate humor, and it's a lot of fun guaranteed. So now check out some clips from Magical Mayhem.
Dude, you got mad powers. You got mad powers. Do me a favor, take your hand like this. Good. Let's let it up here. Saw what you did. You snuck one into your pocket. Take that out of your pocket, reach inside, take it out,